Welcome students. Today I shall discuss class 8 exercise 7.1 mathematics ICSE percentage and its application. How to solve all these sums step by step. First, number 1, express the following percentage as fractions. We have to change this percentage sign and this number will be treated as fractions. Now let's see what will be the answer of question number 1. In this case, simply we have to use percentage as 100. Therefore, in the case of first sum, it will be 356 divided by 100. It will be, after calculation, it will be 89. It will be 89 divided by 25. Why? Sorry. Yes. We have divided 356 by 4 and also divided by 100 by 4. After this, it will be 89 by 25, and if we convert this fraction into mixed fraction, this will be 375 85 86 87 89 13 18 and 13 by 25. This will be the actual answer. 3 and 35 the 14 by 25, not 13. This will be 14 by 25. This is the actual answer. Okay. Okay. Now number 2. Answer number 2. 2 and 1 by 2 percentage. 2 and 1 by 2 means 2, 2, 4 and 1, 5 by 2. This means 5 by 2 percentage is equal to 5 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 100 is equal to 5 into 1 divided by 2 into 100 is equal to 5 by 200 is equal to 1 by 40. That will be the answer. 1 by 40. 1. Express the following fractions as percentage. In this case, we have to just multiply this number by 100. Okay. The first answer will be 3 by 2 multiplied by 100, not 1 by 100. This means 3 into 100 divided by 2 is equal to 300 divided by 2 means 150 percentage. Okay, this will be 150 percentage. Number 2. Nine by 20. We have to convert this fraction into percentage. 9 by 20 just multiplied by 100 is equal to 9 into 100 divided by 20 is equal to 900 divided by 20. 0 to 45, that is 45%. Okay, now answer 3. One and 1 by 4. 1 and 1 by 4. 4 into 1, that means 4 plus 1, 5. This means 5 by 4. 5 by 4 into 100 is equal to 5 into 100 divided by 4. That means 500 divided by 4. This means 125%. Okay. In this class, you have do all this sum in this way, and in the next class we will discuss the next mathematical problems. Okay, bye bye.